If you're seeing a 500 internal server error on itch.io, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, or uploading without wasting time. This is usually a temporary issue, a browser problem, or something small on your end that you can fix in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Now, let's jump in. First, refresh the page and give it a moment. A 500 error often happens when the site is overloaded or temporarily unstable, so the simplest fix is sometimes the best one. If it doesn't work right away, wait a few minutes and try again. Don't keep refreshing nonstop because that usually won't help. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with loading pages properly on itch.io. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached files and cookies for itch.io. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try the page again. If the error is still there, try a different browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, test Firefox, Edge, or another browser you already have installed. This helps you find out whether the issue is with itch.io itself or just your current browser setup. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause pages to load incorrectly and trigger server-style errors. Try opening another website to see if everything else is working normally. If your connection seems slow, reconnect to Wi-Fi or restart your router if needed. Another common fix is to turn off your VPN. Some websites, including itch.io, can behave strangely when a VPN is active, especially if the server doesn't like the IP address you're using. Disable your VPN completely, refresh the page, and see if the error disappears. If none of that works, log out of your itch.io account and log back in again. Sometimes your session can become stuck or outdated, and signing out resets the connection. After logging back in, go back to the page that showed the error and test it again. And if you've tried everything and it still won't load, the issue may simply be on itch.io's side. In that case, the best move is to wait and try again later. Temporary server errors often fix themselves without any action from you. So to recap, refresh the page, wait a few minutes, clear your cache and cookies, try another browser, check your connection, turn off VPN, log out and log back in, and try again later if needed. These steps solve most itch.io 500 internal server error issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.